So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason your Messages application just keeps closing. Now what does this mean? Well, maybe you go inside of your Google Messages app just like this, and maybe this application just keeps closing randomly. Now, the number one reason why something like this could end up happening is because your Google Messages application is just glitching up and it might just need to be fixed. So what I'd recommend doing starting off with is to make your way over into your Google Play Store and search up the Messages app. So right now I'm offline, but if you search up the Messages application, you should then be able to find a way for it to go and basically pop up, and you should be able to update this particular app. That is probably going to be the number one way to go and fix this problem for a lot of people. Simply doing that can end up fixing it for you, and that kind of is the number one thing I'd recommend doing in order to fix it. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, well, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to see if there's an update available for your Android phone. So make your way over into your settings application just like this. You then want to basically scroll down until you find a little option that says something like software update or system or something like that. And you just want to find the software updates panel. When you see that, you want to click on system update, and all you're going to want to do here is basically just update your phone. And that's another very easy thing you can do. Now on top of that, another thing I'd recommend doing is to restart your phone if there's no update available. So go through, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, right? So I didn't do that properly, but you want to hold down the buttons to restart your device. And then after doing that, you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And like I said, a lot might end up doing it. If that doesn't end up working, you might want to try downloading a different messaging application and see if that ends up fixing it, or deleting messages and going back into it and re-downloading it. So those are the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.